No matter what though, pub planning, promo med ed, or marketing, finding a career in this industry is all kind of the same because all of these agencies fall under these holding companies. And I know you're all leaning into this green and squinting, but you don't need to because this URL at the bottom, just go to that URL. You can find this online. It is by far the most up-to-date visual that I could get my hands on, and it is pretty current. Then you can blow it up for yourself and really get a look at it. And the point for today is not looking at the details. It's to know that there are about, running down the middle here, there are about 6 different holding companies under which above and below here are agencies. There might be media agencies and PR agencies and patient agencies, which we're not obviously focused on, but you can also find pub planning, promo med ed, and marketing agencies here. So, for example, I work for IPG. So you go to IPG's website if you're going to start some research, and you can see all their different agencies, and you can click on them and learn what they do and find those that feel right for you. Same with all of these, Omnicom, WPP, all of these agencies are discoverable online, and their websites are very built out. And they also have career pages. So it's a great place to look for careers, but we'll talk about that in a sec.